Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram on Nothing Phone free. Let's begin. First, you want to simply head into your Play Store. Then, click Search, enter search bar, and start typing in for Instagram. Then, you can simply hit Install. Make sure to not install by accident something sponsored like ChatGPT. And after installation is done, you can freely use your application. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.